So intellect once again. So today we are venturing into advanced level geography, paper 1, June 2019, question number 5. Specifically, it is dealing with geomorphological landforms.
Days I'll be throwing geomophological questions. After that, I'm venturing into hydrology. After that, I can also venture into climatology and biogeography. So it's your intellect once again, guys. So in this case, guys, I welcome you in this venture. And if you found this video interesting or this channel interesting, please subscribe, like, and share the link to others for us to develop and for us to learn in our numbers. So let's get into our business for today. The question says, distinguish limestone rock from granite rock. So in this case, we are required to give the difference between. So to make it easier, what you must know always is that whenever you are distinguishing the odds, you are reminded that to give clear difference between the proposed points. For instance, what you can do, I'm not saying this is what you are going to do in your exam. I'm illustrating. So you in your exam you can write, for example, you've got limestone rock here, then we have got granite rock here. So in limestone rock you can say sedimentary information. Here we can write igneous information. So in your answer you can say limestone rocks are known as sedimentary rocks, granite rocks are known as igneous rocks. They contain calcium carbonate. Then here contain feldspar and mica. Here they have lines of weaknesses. Then here no lines of weaknesses. Then are prone to chemical weathering, e.g. carbonation. Then are prone to physical weathering, e.g. exfoliation. This is what you can do. So you'll be like, limestone rock, we have got lines of weaknesses. These they do not have. Are prone to chemical weathering. These are prone to carbonation, while least granite rocks are prone to physical weathering, much more exfoliation and dilatation. Then we are through. This is what you can do. This is the way you can give differences. Then moving on, we are now going on our part B. The part B says, with the aid of diagrams, explain the exhumation theory and its resultant landform. So what you first do is to explain the exhumation theory. It is one of the most prominent theories which explains the formation of icebergs. And according to exhumation theory by J.T. Falconer, you'd like to say that granite landforms let me do this. According to exhumation theory, it would like to say that granite landforms such as castle copies, such as toes and bonats, they are formed as deep weathered layers are stripped on the surface due to denudational processes such as weathering and soil creeping, mass movement processes such as mud flow and whatsoever. As they occur on the surface, they lead to the exposure of deep weathered layer, which in turn resulted in the formation of castle copies or bonards or toes. And in this case, when in your explanation, you are going to explain that the exhumation theory, it institute the ideology yekuti panotanga paita deep weathered layer pozoexposwa. So in your explanation, you further say, as shown by the diagram below. So you say before we'll be having a mature deep weathered layer into excess of maybe 70 meters. So we have got zone 1. So this will be our earth surface. So zone 1, it contains residual debris. Then zone 2, it contains core stones with some residual debris. Then in this stage we've got core stones only here. Then this zone, it contains what we call partial weathered rock. So according to Ragston and Berry, they say that we've got what we call deep weathered layers. And these deep weathered layers, we've got 4 zones. Zone 1, it is what we call residual debris. Zone 2, we have got core stones with some residual debris. Zone 3, we have got core stones and we have got partial weathered rock. So according to the exhumation hypothesis, it says that as these deep weathered layer, what are deep weathered layer? According to Jeff Dwarf and then according to R.J. Small, deep weathered layer are intrusive landform features that are exposed to chemical weathering processes such as chelation, hydration, hydrolysis, whereby these rocks they will be underneath our earth surface as acidulated water infiltrates and then it percolates in rocks that are beneath the earth surface. Rocks, for example, granite rocks might be a 70-meter rock that is beneath the earth surface. So as the water will be percolating through those rocks, the processes of weathering and decaying as they are taking place, the first stage there will be a residual debris as we have explained this earlier. So what happens is this is our earth surface. Because of denudational processes such as soil erosion, the earth surface will be removed. As the earth surface will be removed, the residual debris will be washed away because it is completely soil. Then here we have got core stones with some grass, as according to R.J. Small grass, it means completely weathered material. So as this material, we have got several stones here. As we are having several stones, as the weathered soil is being washed away, these stones they will start to balance each other, leading to the formation of castle copies, as here as we are showing after. So as these, under your diagram, you say as the above landforms are exposed to soil erosion and mass movement, what happens afterwards is the remaining core stones and partial weathered rock will balance each other, leading to the formation of castle copies, as shown by the diagram below. It's your explanation. Then you will show us like this one. So this will be these stones that are now balancing each other, forming toes, forming castle copies. So this is how you explain the exhumation theory, and it resulted landforms. Are we together? So I'm done with this. Then here we have got to what extent are granite landforms useful? How these landforms, toes, castle copies, and bonards are useful to humans. Then we are saying to a greater extent, the granite landforms are useful because of the following factors. What are the factors that we have from granite landform? We have got tourism. For example, in Epworth, we have got also construction. Granite rocks are used for construction. They are used as for defense mechanism in terms of war. People, they hide in caves, and these caves are granite limestone, are used for beautification or modification of homes. For example, we can take granite rocks for formation of stove, cupboards and whatsoever. Then what else? We have got concrete. Also for construction, yes, we have mentioned it. Then, however, despite that granite landform are useful to humans, we can also take their negative effects. We have got issues like rock falling. These rocks, they can fall and destroy or kill people. Also, they are habitats to dangerous animals. So this is what you can do in your question, and you'll be able to explore all these given evaluations. This is what you can do. So guys, for advanced level lessons, you can contact Faith at the internet or the number appearing on the screen. And for more information, keep subscribing, press the notification button so that you can benefit. Thank you guys.